Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making vintage book page ornaments. And we're using cardboard, vintage book pages, and some small mirrors that I picked up at the craft store. And we're dusting them with DecoArt Glamour Dust and stenciling them with Americana Decor Metallics in vintage brass. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make some vintage book page ornaments. Glamour Dust comes in crystal and gold, and it's perfect to sprinkle on all of your Christmas DIY projects. Make sure to head over to DecoArt.com and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.